Nau mai ki whakamiere. Nau mai ki whakamiere. Welcome to Whakamiere, our podcast where we share reo Māori translations of stories. Today's Paki Poto is Te Hau me te Rā by Aesop. There are two kupu hou. The first is āngia, and it means to compel. Ka āngia te wahine e tōna hoa, kia haere ki te taone. The woman was compelled by her friend to go to town. Our second kupu is kehu, and it means to feel faint or dizzy. Me hinga ai au, he kino no te kehu. I could have fallen, I'm so dizzy. Ka are mai ngā taringa listen out for these kupu hou in the kōrero. Kia hānana hoki te noho, whakarongo mai e hoa mā. Te hau me te rā, nā Aesop. Ka pupu ake te tau tohe tohe, I waenga I te hau raki me te rā, mō te kaha ake o te toko ruhanei. I te kitenga I tētahi kaiāmio, ko te wero, kia āngia ia, kia unuhia tōna korowai. Mātā mua mai ko te hau raki, a ka pūkeri te pupuhi. Nā wai, ka tata hore tia te korowai I ōna taura here. Engari, ka ita tā te kaiāmio pupuri, e piri tonu ai ki tōna tinana. Ka mutu, ka pau katoa te hau o raki. Ni kā ko te rā, ka whakamahea I ngā kapua. Ka tukuna ai ōna hihi ngāwari ki tō te kaiāmio upoko. I te rongonga I te kehu nā te wera, ka makaia atu e te tāne tōna koti, ka omai ki te haumarutanga o marumaru. Ko te kiko o te kōrero, ka nui ake ngā hua o te māhaki I era o te riri. The Wind and the Sun by Aesop. A dispute once arose between the north wind and the sun as to which was the stronger of the two. Seeing a traveller on his way, they agreed to see which could the sooner get his cloak off him. The north wind began and sent a furious blast, which, at the onset, nearly tore the cloak from its fastenings. But the traveller, seizing the garment with a firm grip, held it around his body so tightly that the north wind spent his remaining force in vain. The sun, dispelling the clouds that had gathered, then darted his genial beams over the traveller's head. Growing faint with the heat, the man flung off his coat and ran for protection to the nearest shade. The moral being, mildness governs more than anger. Tēnā rawa atu koe I tāu whakarongo mai. Thank you so much for listening to today's episode. Whakamiere doesn't run ads, nor does it have any partnerships with sponsors. So all of our tautoko comes from our Patreon supporters. Any support we get through Patreon enables us to focus more of our efforts on producing content for the podcast, like today's Paki Poto. So if you're in a position to support us, not only will it help us pay our bills, it will also benefit the rest of our whānau whakamiere and help us get even more content out. Even better, if you're a kaimahi and kura, kohanga reo, puna reo, or schools in Aotearoa, we're giving you free access. Kaimahi can get early access to every episode of Whakamiere, PDFs of every Paki Poto, access to a supportive reo Māori community, limited edition merchandise, as well as complete access to the back catalogue of content, which is more than 100 episodes. Just email whakamiere@gmail.com from your staff email address and we'll send you a Patreon link. This is still just $6 a month for anyone else who wants to join, and a big mihi goes out to our Patreon supporters without whom this podcast simply couldn't be ad-free. Head on over to patreon.com/whakamiere to learn more about our subscriptions. If you've enjoyed what you've been listening to and want to show your tautoko in another way, please consider leaving a like and a review on your favourite podcast app. It makes a massive difference. And if you've got friends and whānau who might like our kaupapa, please share it with them as well. You can also follow us on Instagram. If you want to get in touch with us about the podcast, or to redeem your free access as a kaimahi, you can email us or send us a message on Instagram. Ko Taurapa au e mihi nui ana, hei a koe nei e hoa mā.